Are you tired of struggling to make money with affiliate marketing? Look no further. In this mind-blowing video, I'm going to reveal the exact blueprint that has helped me generate a jaw-dropping $22,000 plus per month in affiliate commissions. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced marketer, this step-by-step guide will provide you with proven strategies and insider secrets to skyrocket your affiliate earnings. Don't miss out on this life-changing opportunity. Take action now and start building your own profitable online empire. The $22,000 low-competition affiliate blueprint. Simplest, most proven, and duplicatable blueprint for quickly ranking simple niche sites on page 1 of Google for easy affiliate commissions. Inside this blueprint, you will be getting proven method with $181,953 in verified affiliate commissions from January 2023 to August 2023 with just one niche site. No previous experience required. Everything is revealed inside this blueprint with all the exact resources to be used, so everything is literally copy and paste. You can deploy the entire system in a matter of days and then manage it with only a few hours per week. On average, the first affiliate commission hits your account within 3 weeks of deploying this system on a new site. A proven method for dominating low-competition keywords so that anyone can get results quickly. The exact low-competition monetization strategy, which also gives an advantage with even less competition, so you have even better chances for faster results. The exact dummy-proof process to get your sites ranking on the first page of Google so you can get all the free traffic you ever need. Huge bonus module. The exact outsourcing and scaling strategies with all resources, so you can be as hands-off as possible when you're ready. Visit the below link to watch how this method works so well.